This is funny, right? Have you ever thought about this phenomenon? Indeed, the world is undergoing a demographic change. We have an aging population. This trend has plagued many developed countries, including Mauritius. What is aging population? It can be described as a process which increases the proportion of old people within the total population. Let us consider what is contributing towards the graying of our population. As you can see from this graphical illustration, the fertility rate, which averaged 4 children per family in the 1960s, has currently dropped to around 1.4 children per family. We have a downward trend of birth rate, resulting in the proportion of older people increasing faster than that of children. On the other hand, thanks to improvements in higher standards of hygiene, easier access to medical treatment, and other contributing factors, life expectancy has increased. Let us now have a look at the impact of aging population in Mauritius. With a declining rate of youth population, the number of people joining the workforce over the years is gradually decreasing. We have a shrinking workforce, which directly impacts the economy of our country. Let us try to understand this chart. When we talk about old age support ratio, we are referring to the number of people in the working class paying taxes that contribute towards retirement cost of old people. In 1962, 15 people contribute towards the pension of one retiree. However, in 2016, only 7 people are going to contribute for one retiree. As such, the government will require additional funds to provide pension to the old people. Last but not least, government needs to provide additional investments to cater for the increasing demands of the elderly, namely dedicated geriatric hospitals, residential and care homes, ease of mobility for aged persons, leisure and recreational centers. So, what are the indications that the government should take to tackle this challenging situation? The government has been proactive and has increased the retirement age to 65. Also, we should encourage marriage and parenthood to increase birth rate. Finally, the government should devise an immigration policy by opening up the economy to reverse the population trend. To conclude, aging population is a silent and natural process. We have to consider means and ways to overcome its impacts and ensure the well-being of all citizens.